How to stop anxiety naturally. Here I'm going to talk about this. First of all, if you want to eliminate anxiety, you must know the difference between your five senses and your imagination. In other words, if you want to rewire your anxious brain, eliminate anxiety, you must start using your own imagination right now. You may say why and what will happen. I'm going to talk about this. Look, here we have the whiteboard. I'm going to explain to you. Let's say this circle represents our brain and body. Okay? Here in your brain, here you have five senses, sensory factories. You are either operating by your sensory factories or you are combining your mental faculties alongside your five senses. What do I mean? Most of people, I think maybe also you, I don't judge, maybe you think most of the people, most of us, we have been trained, we have been conditioned to use only our five senses. One of them is our eyes. Look, ears. We live only by our senses, and this is the main cause or reason of your anxiety. You live by your senses. You look at your environment, you see bad things that you don't want. And you start feeling anxious, you start feeling frustrated, you're feeling bad, anxiety. The reason is because of your five senses. And the solution, naturally, is to start consciously by making a decision to use your own imagination. Look, here you have five senses. Here in your consciousness, you can inside. Nobody sees it. You can sit in a place and start imagining what you want. Choose one purpose. Choose one thing that you love most of all and start imagining. Start thinking about what you want. If you do so, look, there will be a battle between your sensory factories and also between your imagination. Your imagination will tell you, your five senses, will tell you that this is the end of the world, this is the reality. But with your imagination, you can go anywhere, anytime, and you can do anything, you know. Some of you may say, why should we use our imagination in this case? The reason is to get rid of anxiety, to eliminate it, to overcome this negative feeling. You know, anxiety is because solely using your own sensory factories. And if you start using your own imagination positively, okay, then you are going to have calmness, happiness in your own life. You know, the good news also is here that your nervous system can't differentiate between what you imagine and what you see by your senses. Okay? In either cases, your brain, your nervous system that you have in entire your brain, they are going to work based on your imagination. If you imagine a happy life, a wealthy and healthy life, full of calmness in your imagination, if you imagine and stay on that frequency, lock in what you want, then you're going to feel really, honestly saying, happy. It is not illusion. It is the way your brain and nervous system works. It's the way that the Lord has engineered mankind to have a prosperous life, not to be miserable and victim. You are all creators and you're creating your own life and destiny. This is the entire video. If you want to learn more, check other videos that we have, check our books on Amazon, check our website sonoflord.com, And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm going to read them and reply. In general, be happy, use this data, and also check other videos that will pop up here or here. Love you all, till the next one.